Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform a hard reset to recovery mode on INFINIX Smart 9. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button once you see a logo on your screen. And when you see no command, you have to hold power button, and while holding power button you have to press volume up button. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode, and here you have to use volume buttons to navigate and power button to select. And you have to move to wipe data factory reset and then press power button. Now move to factory data reset and press power button again. And now select reboot system now to go back to your Android system. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.